Partner, may babatingin tayo. Nagbe-birthday siya today.
Uy, Sherwin Vidalion, General Manager ng Diamond Land. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your special day.
Hi there, this is Bo Cerudo, and I'd like to wish you, Mr. Sherwin Vidalion, the General Manager of Diamond Land, a happy birthday. Mabuhay po kayo. I hope to meet you soon. Have a blast. Cheers!
Hi, I'm Karen Vanguardia from Maria Clara Tibara. I just want to greet happy birthday to the hardworking General Manager of Diamond Land, Mr. Sherwin Vidalion. And may God bless you more po. Sana po mag-enjoy ka po sa birthday mo with your family and friends. Right, thank you so much po.
Hi, Sherwin. Sherwin Vidalion. Birthday mo daw, sabi ni Kali. Pinababati ka. General Manager of Diamond Land, happy birthday! I hope you're having fun. Today ba yung birthday mo? God bless you. Sana magkakilala tayo. Well, enjoy. And thank you Kakikali kasi sabi sa akin, kailangan daw talaga batiin kita no matter what. Kulit nga. Love. Bye.
Ikaw nga.
Happy birthday sa aming mabait at cool na boss. More blessings to come. Salamat sa pagtitiwala niyo sa amin ni ate. Again, maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang Sherwin.
Hello. Sherwin, happy birthday. Sana ay palagi kang malusog. Alam ko naman na lahat ng wishes mo ay nag-grant na ni Lord. Napa-opera mo na si Faith. Naging successful ka na ngayon. Wish ko ay nawa ay lagi kang malusog ang pangangatawan at huwag kang magkakasakit. Ingatan mo ang iyong sarili palagi. Hindi man tayo laging nagkikita or any communications, andito ka palagi sa puso ni Ate Jera. Mahal kita. Happy birthday. Kuya Sherwin, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Kuya, happy birthday! Keep up the good work, nakaka-proud ka.
Hi Kuya Sherwin, happy birthday! More blessings to come sa'yo and sa family mo and good health para sa inyong lahat palagi.
Happy birthday Tito Ewin. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tulong na bigay niyo sa akin ni Tita Jonah, and pangalawa is I wish you more good health and more blessings pa ang dumating sa iya. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Sherwin. Sa kaisa-isahan kong puso at sana matupad ng lahat ng pangarap. At salamat din sa iyo, Jonas, sa unconditional love na binibigay mo sa kanya. God bless you and love you both.
Hi, Father dear! Happy birthday! So, ang wish ko lang for you ay madaming happiness. Syempre, madaming love at all great things in life. Yes. At saka, yun, thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me palagi. Yan. Happy birthday! Mwah, mwah, so much. Mwah.